Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to remove duplicates in a list in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, if your list has more than one of the same item and you don't really need it, or it's redundant and would affect your data analysis, then you would like to remove those. So I'll be showing you how to do that today. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I already have my list that has 2 duplicates in it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create an empty list. I'm just going to call that y. Then we're going to use a for loop. So for I in our original list x. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say if I is not in the empty list y, then we're going to append I to y. So basically, if whatever number that's in our x list over here is not in y, then we're going to put it in y. If it is, then it's not going to go in y, which will get rid of our duplicates essentially. So now if we just print y, we will get our list without any duplicates. So 118 is gone, and the duplicates for 2 are gone as well. And that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to remove duplicates in a list in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.